Just wanted to show everybody using the Pervasive Devices e-paper display using their kit. Wanted to show that you can actually use their e-paper display on an STM32 F767 board from ST Microelectronics, and have the code kind of written here, but I'm going to go ahead and just run through this. Just a quick little display here to show you how this can actually work. And then basically I'm just basically taking a bunch of different images, and I think one pattern here, and then just looping through to show that the STM microcontroller can actually upload images to this e-paper display. Now what my driver is doing is it's actually doing what's called a full update. So it's actually updating the entire image itself. There is something called a fast update. I haven't done the drivers for the driver portion for that yet. But just wanted to kind of show the full update where I'm basically taking an image and actually uploading it through the SPI interface from the STM microcontroller to the actual e-paper display. So just wanted to show this. Normally this e-paper display image is used for the TI MSP4, not the MSP40, but the TMS4C 123G microcontroller. But as you can see, I've used an STM microcontroller. Just kind of show you as soon as I go through all the images. And that's the last image, but it will loop again. But as you can see, I've kind of breadboarded out the bottom of it. That goes to basically my breadboard, which then goes to the STM32 basically F7 microcontroller. I'm easily using a Nucleo board. With this board, there are extenders on the side that you can use for actual third-party microcontrollers like this. But when I was soldering, I kind of messed up one of the pins, so I decided to go through the regular pins that are used specifically for the Texas Instruments launchpad board. But as you can see, I mean, it's the same pin outs, so I was able to still get my information from my microcontroller to the e-paper display. So just kind of wanted to show this. I'm not going to post the drivers, but one thing I would recommend, one thing I will say to get this done for yourself is go look. This has actually been done through Arduino. So if you look at the way they've done in Arduino, and if you replicate that with the STM microcontroller here, you'll be able to get this done as well. I also recommend to look at the data sheets. Make sure you're doing things as the data sheet specifically says. And then from there, you can look at the way it's done in Arduino, replicate whatever is done in SPI, whatever is done in terms of the process. It's going to match the data sheet itself, and then you just write your C code and then you can get this done yourself. Like I said, have a nice day and enjoy. All right, talk to you later. Bye.